Hello, little space chefs. I'm Miss Shelly, your magical cook of the cosmos. Today, we're flying into outer space to see something incredibly beautiful, nebulas. They're like giant, colorful cotton candy floating in the sky, soft, sparkly, and full of surprises. They're even magical enough to make brand new stars. Want to know their secret? Hop aboard our imagination spaceship and let's go explore together with Miss Shelly. Have you ever had a bite of rainbow cotton candy? Well, a nebula is like the universe's extra-large cotton candy. It's made of fluffy gases and shiny space dust floating in space, all sparkly and soft. Nebulas are mostly made of hydrogen gas, just like cotton candy needs sugar. There's also some helium and a sprinkle of magic space dust. When these ingredients mix together, they can cook up brand new stars. Isn't that amazing? What kind of candy does a nebula remind you of? Tell Mom or Dad what you think. Nebulas aren't just magical, they're super pretty too. There's the Rose Nebula, which looks like a giant pink flower in space. The Cat's Eye Nebula sparkles like a glowing kitty eye staring right at you. And the Crab Nebula? It looks like a big, silly space crab running through the sky. Nebulas come in all kinds of bright colors, red, blue, purple, floating through the universe like a giant rainbow painting. Would you like to draw your own nebula? Try it. Create the most beautiful nebula and show it to Miss Shelly. So, what's the coolest thing about nebulas? They're the star factories of the universe. Imagine a nebula like a big space chef, kneading gas and dust into a glowing fireball. That's a brand new star. And guess what? Sometimes, stars send some of their magic gas back to the nebula, making it even more colorful. And the leftover bits? They can turn into planets, kind of like Earth's space siblings. Next time you look up at the stars, imagine them jumping out of a fluffy nebula ready to shine. All right, little astronauts, our nebula adventure ends here. Aren't nebulas like magical cosmic cotton candy, so colorful and amazing? Next time, Miss Shelly will take you on another magical journey through space, so don't miss it. Now go tell your family all about the nebula story you learned today, or draw your own dream nebula and show it off. Bye-bye for now.